What's up, everyone? I'm Gabriel Venturini. I'm the developer and co-founder of Tradepilot EA. Today, I want to show you how to set up the EA from start to finish, which means we go through the opening of your, first of all, broker account, VPS. I will show you how to install the MT5, so the MetaTrader 5 platform or software on your VPS. Then I will show you how to set up the EA on your account, on your MT5 account on the VPS. And that will be it. So let's start right away. Once you get the order confirmation email, which will look something like this, you can basically go right ahead and open the Google Drive folder, which is the one I had open here. So you will go open that up, and then you can see these three folders here. The first thing is to open the setup guide, which is the one I have open here, and you will see this PDF here. Then next thing to do is, if you haven't already, you need to create a broker account, and you can create it by using our preferred broker and using this link here, which is our referral link. This is the broker we use mostly, which is Vantage Markets. Now it depends where you're from. If you're US based, you're a US citizen, you will not, they will not let you open an account with them. And for that, we will have other brokers to recommend to you, for example, OX or LQH. But for now, we will go ahead and open an account with Vantage. Once you have the account, you can just go on their platform, and then you can go here and open your live account or demo account, depends what you want to start out with. For this example, we will go ahead and create a demo account. So platform, it will be the MetaTrader 5, which is where our EA is coded on, so MT5. Account type, we will want to have raw accounts with very low spreads. The currency, you can choose the one you prefer. Leverage, we want the highest leverage possible. And then, well, the balance is for the demo account. We'll just go ahead and do the 10K one for this example. Click on submit, and you will get the email with all the login details. All right, so this is the email just got from Vantage. Here are the MT5 login, MT5 password, and the server. Okay, once we have done this, we can go ahead and create our VPS, which is the virtual private server. This is simply a virtual computer which runs 24/7 and is never shut down. This makes sure that the EA is always active, that it never has any interferences, any problems. So you can be sure that it's always running and it's not dependent on if your computer is turned on or not. Maybe you know or you don't know, but the EA, so the MT5, always needs to stay on, so you cannot shut down your computer. It will stop working basically. So this is why we need a VPS. When you click on this link, you will get to our partner VPS, and you can choose between these two plans. So this is Basic and Basic Plus. The difference is just in the RAM they offer. The CPU is the same. On Basic Plus, you have a little bit more SSD space, and the same 2022 Windows OS. Once you order it, you will get also here all the information, the IP address, your username, and the password. If you're using a MacBook or a Mac, you can just download the Microsoft Remote Desktop. If you're already on Windows, you can just do the Remote Desktop application. Once you're here, you can just go ahead and add a PC. Here you can paste the IP address they will give you. And then on user account, you can go here and click on add user account. Here normally with Forex VPS, you can type in user and password, they will provide it to you. Once you have that, you can open the VPS and it will look like this basically. Okay. So next step, once you're in your VPS, you can open the browser and go and download the MT5 installation file, which is this one here. Once it's downloaded, you can open it up, go on run, and then here on settings, I will choose another folder on which I want to install it. So here I will choose the desktop. And yes, okay, here, next. Okay, it's done installing. We can go on finish and it will open it up automatically. Once MT5 is open, we want to search our broker server. So here you type in Vantage, find your company. In our case, it will be Vantage International. We go on next. And then here you just type in your login and password they sent you per email. In our case, it was the Vantage International demo. Just let me go and copy my login details. All right, just done here copying the MT5 login, the password, paste, and type and click on finish. Now we wait. Okay, we are successfully logged in. We can close these windows down. We can go on trade. As we can see here on accounts, I'm logged into my Vantage International demo account, the one we opened before. Now, let's go back to the setup guide. All right, so here we can basically start with the step one, which is download the EA from the Google Drive link. So we can go on the drive, go on expert advisors, go here and click on download. Okay, it's downloaded here. Now let me go and copy it and paste it to my VPS. All right, here we go, copy. Let's go to the VPS. So here we'll go on file, open data folder, go to MQL5, then you enter into experts, and here we will paste the EA file. All right, so it pasted correctly. Go back, we go to expert advisors, click on refresh, go on the plus, and as we can see here, the EA is correctly into our MT5. Next thing to do is we go tools, options, then we go to expert advisors. We will allow algorithmic trading on. We will turn this on, DLL imports, and then the next thing, very important to do, this will make sure that the licensing will work, is allow web requests from the listed URL. We go back to the setup guide. So step 1 is done, step 2 is done, step 3 we have just done this with the data folder. We copied the EA into the folder. And now we came here to the step 6. Okay, so here I was searching the link, basically the URL. So we need to copy this and paste it into the web request. Like this. Okay, no, it didn't go. Let's take it again. Copy. Go here and paste it. Okay, now it worked, and we click on OK. We go back. This we have already done. Okay, step 7, we go and open up our gold chart. Let's see if I can open it. Here we type in XAU USD plus. The plus is just indicating that we are on the raw account. Make this a little bit bigger. Then we go on M30. Okay. Then next thing is we basically put the EA on the chart like this. Make this window a little bit bigger. Allow algo trading is turned on. This is correct. And then we go to inputs. Now the first thing to do is to paste your license key into the access code. So let's go back here, just a moment. All right, now comes the licensing part. The thing you need to do is to click on the URL that is inside the confirmation email, which is this one. And here you need to register basically your account with the email you used for the purchase, which is also which you can also find here. So in this case, for an example, I use this email here. You type in your password. I'm just gonna type one random password, and then you go and sign up. Okay, I get the error because I already created this account. So I go back to login, and then I log in into my account. Here, sign in. It's loading. Okay, so here I can see the license that was created for my account. I can see the plan, it's unlimited, expiry date, I just put tomorrow, because if you're gonna use my license key, then you will have a free bot. So this will expire tomorrow, and this here is the license key. We'll go ahead, copy it, go to the VPS and insert it here, paste. Make sure there is no space behind the license, because it can happen that you have this space, empty space, and then you click OK, but it will not work. It will show that the license is invalid, because as you can see, it also takes the space as a character. So we want to make sure there is no space, neither before, neither behind. And then we go back. So now you're actually ready to go. So the default settings work very good. We recommend to use them, but if you want to explore other approaches, we also have a folder in the drive with the presets. And here, as for now, we have 6 presets that we tested and that worked very fine. In these folders, you can find the reports. So basically, it's the strategy. You can find how they performed and some other information. If you download this HTML here, I'm gonna show you very briefly how this looks. So if we open this file, you can see exactly the expert that was used, the symbol, the time frame, and then all the settings here. You can see the results, so net profit, equity drawdown, and so on and so forth. Also, you can check all the trades that were taken, and you have other statistical data that can be useful to know before using the set file. If you decide to use one of these, you can just go ahead and download the set file here. In this case, it's the averageking.set. You can download it, and then you can copy it to your VPS, and then you go to the to the settings of the EA, click on load, and then here you can basically load the set file, and it will take over all the settings. Okay, so license is in the access code, no spaces, and we click on OK. It checks the license. The blue hat is correct. Algo trading is on. This is off, so we let it on. We go to journal, we see okay, automated trading is enabled, loaded successfully, experts, no errors, so everything is working. Now we got to step 11. So now the only thing that would be missing is basically in the settings, you can choose the riskier one to run. So here, and it's also explained in the settings walkthrough video, you just need to choose the risk you want to run on your account. As default, there's 1% risk per trade. So we will leave this like this. We come down to step 12 and you're ready to rumble. So that's basically it. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to us and we will be very happy to help.